Good morning, student. Student, this is my last video for second chapter. Today we are going to see the last physical features of Indian physical features. That is island group. Island means it is in Hindi. It is tapu, right? The piece of land which is surrounded by water from all sides. Now, when we talk about island, India we have two groups of island. That is Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Island. First, we are going to see the Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Island is made up of total 36 groups of island, small that island, that all together there are 36 groups, and out of this 36 group of island, only 10 groups of islands are there where people are living there, human beings are living there. Okay, now these Lakshadweep Island, which is made up of 36 group of island, only 10 are where people are living, is made up of okay, coral origin. Coral means a sea animal, or you can say the sea living being, which discharge or they secrete from their body, they release a certain chemical, okay, certain mineral. That mineral deposited in the seabed for millions of years. Now you imagine this coral which is discharging that that chemical, that mineral for many years, millions of years on the sea, which become a layers, okay, which form a layers, and today we see them as a Lakshadweep Island. Okay, now if you talk about the shape, it is most of like a horseshoe shape, okay, like a horseshoe shape and ring shape. The island group, if you talk about the shape, okay, akar in Hindi, right? So it's more of like horseshoe shape, a shape, or a ring shape. Now in earlier, before 1973, this is group of island was called by the different name. Okay, for example, like sorry, Lakadive, Minicoy, Amindive. Okay, but after 1973, all it renamed and they call just as a Lakshadweep Island. Okay, now this is the made up of group of island and renamed in 1973 as a Lakshadweep Island. Now headquarter is the headquarter for the Lakshadweep Island is Kavarati. Okay, Kavarati is their headquarter for the administrative purpose. Okay, for the administrative purpose, they made as this as a their headquarter. The next island group is, okay, look at this. This is a coral. Okay, you will find in the sea. This is very hard. Okay, so this is the coral which secrete from their body that chemical, that mineral which made a layers in the sea. Okay, this is coral. I just wanted to show you. Okay, this is coral. Now we are going to see the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar Island we found in the Bay of Bengal. If you look at the Indian map, which is in the right side of Indian map. Okay, now some of the features. Andaman and Nicobar Island is made up of 324 islands. Okay, it is bigger than the Lakshadweep Island. Obviously Lakshadweep Island is only made up of the 36 islands, and now this Andaman and Nicobar Island is made up of 324 islands. Now when you talk about the Andaman and Nicobar Island, it is a chain from north to south. You look at the map, also in the Indian map you will find it. It is a chain of from going from north to south. Okay, now this Andaman and Nicobar Island is split into two parts. The northern part is known as Andaman and the southern part is known as a Nicobar. Okay, as uh, as I wrote down in the third point, it's a chain of islands from the north to south. Now it is believed, the geologists they believe, this Andaman and Nicobar Island is an island which is a portion of submarine mountain. Some submarine mountain means mountain which is immersed under the sea. Okay, now that's what I first video of this chapter I explain you about the tectonic plate, right? Tectonic plate. So this is the because of this tectonic plate theory, or the because of the internal process, the mountain which is submerged, the mountain which is immersed under the sea, that portion, elevated portion, is today we known as a Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, now when we talk about the climatic condition of Andaman and Nicobar Island, it is equatorial. Equatorial means the type of climate which we found near the equator area. Okay, equator area, we know that the most maximum sunlight we receive in the equator area. I explained it to you in the first chapter. So here the temperature is very hot and very humid. Okay, very hot and humid, and here we found the most of the rainfall. Okay, frequently rainfall. Morning it will be rain, again the afternoon it will be dry, evening it will be rain. Okay, so the rainfall are very frequent, very hot and very humid. Okay, now if you talk about the Andaman and Nicobar Island, or whether you talk about the Lakshadweep Island, they are very strategic. Strategic means because it can be created as a tourist spot. Okay, now today this generation, tourism is becoming one of the very big industry. Okay, now because of this island group, it become a strategic important, because we can make this as a tourist spot. We can create many money out of this island group. Okay, you talk about the fishing, you talk about the many marine activity can take place in the this island group. Okay, now let's see the importance and the influence of the these 6 physical features which we saw in this chapter. Okay, now you talk about the Himalaya, which is rich source of forest and wildlife, as well as the water resource. Okay, we know that many water started originated from the Himalayan, and it is a perennial, means throughout the year that a river has a water. That means water resource, forest resource are plenty in the Himalaya. You talk about the northern plain. Northern plain, we already saw that it is a very fertile portion of the our country, and that's why it is known as a granary of our country, right? Plateau, which is rich of mineral. Coastal area, which is rich for the harbor and fishing activity, right? Island group, which is very important for the our tourism, right? So all these physical features are very much influence our people's lifestyle. You talk about the people in the coastal area, their food habit, their style of their building their houses, the dress they wear. You talk about the people in the Himalayan mountain area, the food they eat, clothes they wear, all are influenced by these physical features. Okay, now as well as these physical features is really important for our country. As I told you, plain area, which the land is very fertile, the plateau area, the rich deposit of mineral, right? So these are the very important, which uh, which is a treasure, which is a resource for our country. Okay, student, along with this video I am sending you a questions for revision for chapter 1 and 2. Please look, before you go and write down the answer, read this first chapter and second chapter thoroughly, then you do the question which I am sending you, and next week we are going to discuss that question. Please read your textbook again and again, and then you do the question which I am sending you. Okay, so see you in the see you in next week.